today is the day that the guy, my engine builder, is coming to pick up the LS block. Gonna head over to Randy's house because that's where the blocks are at, and I told him to meet us there. I'm getting a little bit over my sickness. I still got the voice and like that green crap. But hey, I'm feeling better. Been watching a bunch of Modonocity videos on how to build the ruckus and stuff like that, and this guy is dope, man. So huge shout out to Modonocity. His content is fire, like fire content. But let's go over to Randy so we can I don't know, send off the engines. Give you guys a walk through what I'm gonna do with the engine and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna take the ruck today because, well, it's my only daily. I also got the GoPro so I can give you guys some POV action, and I got my engine hoist, so when I feel a little better, I'm gonna get the engine out and start this stuff like I keep saying I'm gonna do. And I gotta assemble the legs on this thing, all types of blah 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 blah. Made it to Randy's house. My guy is here.
Oh yeah.
Let's get the introduction. Introduce yourself. What's popping? What's going on?
What's up, man? I've been my name's Daniel. I've been building at Hondas for years. So I had to reach out to Zosh and give him a Merc built so he can actually
have a reliable engine.
Have a reliable motor and make some big power.
That's the plan.
Because this stock bottom end thing ain't lasting too
the
long.
stock block movement might be coming to a close. I might be built block 1000. It's an original SI EM1.
I'm tired of it.
Oh, it's raining and I'm sick. I can't wait to make this ruckus tight, man. I hope the ruck shop hit me back up, man. I want to get this build going, dog. I want to get rid of this damn thing. I want to get rid of this thing. I want to add an actual seat thing so this can, like, you can actually see this. And man, that's so much I want to do to this thing. I'm gonna keep the couple. That's swag. I want to make this wheel black, get this black, do all this custom, get rid of this, put those like here or something. I don't know. Make it look dope. These blocks go out, boy. I can't believe it. We about to be built, man. We're not used to this, bro. We're some small town boys from the creek.
I saw that thing smoking. I was like, dude, I gotta reach out to this guy.
Oh, my block.
I was like, let me build this guy a motor. I was really, obviously, because, I mean, not everybody knows either how to build them or wants to pay.
That's the thing. It's not easy to build a motor.
No.
You can't say, I'm going to get into building a motor. It's not that easy.
Yeah.
Either people underestimate it and they get halfway through and then they're like, man, I bit off too much than I can chew.
Yeah.
You got every measurement counts.
Everything.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's why I just put them stock ass B20 blocks and call it a day. And then I'm like, I still don't understand like why people get so mad about it. I'm like, bro, like,
it's your shit.
that's what I'm saying. Is like either you're gonna watch or you're gonna sit there and just talk shit and just. I'm like, it's just.
Why are you watching me?
Yeah, like
to hate on it or.
That's what it is. I'm like.
On the head, what's a good?
I wouldn't go like oversized valves. I would just do valve springs, retainers. Obviously check the guides, make sure they're good, but if they're within spec, I would say no need to like get a 4-piston racing cylinder head to make 500 horsepower.
Yeah.
You're gonna make that on a stock head with probably stock valves.
Yeah, probably.
And stock valve springs. I mean, it's really about making the RPM you want. You can't make it without valve springs and retainers.
So like what's a good size cam too?
Turbo cars, bigger the better. Really, the overlap helps. It's full turbos.
Can you make intercooler cores?
Yeah, we could do.
So we get the core.
Yeah, we could do
Intercooler core. What the hell is that? Like the intercooler? I don't know.
Buy the core and you build the intercooler.
Yeah, build the end tanks.
To hold up.
And then basically, you're probably gonna need a whole front. I mean, you could probably put the battery in the front corner if you wanted to make it legit.
It's raining. Damn.
It's all good. And take your motors and actually make some power with them.
Yeah.
It'll last a long time.
Yeah.
The whole idea is to put them on the very edge of their life.
Oh,
so you can make them sing.
All I need is more than 7 months. Golden, bro. You're golden.
I don't think I'm gonna last more than 7 months if I'm gonna the fuck out of it.
Nah, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised with well. Nice meeting you.
All right, nice meeting you too, Daniel.
Hell yeah. I'll be in touch, man. You got my card?
Got your card.
Woo! It's great.
Have a safe ride home in this whack ass weather.
Hopefully your axles don't fall off again, man.
Yeah, for real.
I got more load now. All that weight.
Should be good. Damn, 5 hours, bro. That's a far drive. Randy's leaving. I'm just not getting back home. Freaking soap. Randy went to go help Robert with this car. I wish I can go too, but I'm still feeling under the weather. Not me driving in the rain did not help my chances at all. Yo, I had to shower, bro. I felt nasty, and I gotta get that rainwater off me and shower and get off. You know what I'm saying? Ready to go. But aside from getting the blocks picked up, as you can tell by the title, we do the first modification to the Ruckus today. And what we're gonna be doing is installing some LED bulbs, boy. Now, I installed one of the bulbs like 3 days ago to make sure like it actually works, so I kind of know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna set it up and walk you guys through it in case you get a Ruckus and you want to do LED bulbs and stuff like that. I watched a crap ton of videos on how people do it, and like, yo, they make it like do a lot of work where you gotta cut things, and I didn't have to cut anything. So hopefully my way is the way you guys would do it if you had a Ruckus, or you want to do LED to your Ruckus or stuff like that. So follow along, and hopefully I can teach you guys something, and hopefully this works. I don't know if it's gonna actually really work. Only one bulb worked. I only put one in, but I'm rambling off too. I just installed it. So the first thing we have to do is remove the headlight bracket, which is one 12mm bolt here and one on the opposite side. So we're gonna get our 12mm. I'm using the gun because, well, I'm lazy and this gun is fast. Like, watch this, boy. Done, boy. Look at that. Seconds. Second one. So once you have the two 12mm bolts completely loosened and off, you should have this dangling headlight frame bracket thing or whatever. Right here are your two headlights. Obviously, you just want to get the connectors and then just take them off like that. Now this right here is the headlight grommet to keep the bulb safe or whatever. Peel that off like that, and then you're exposed to the little clamp thing. So you just want to unclamp it. Can I do it with one hand? Oh, damn, that shit kind of, hold on. So I know I can do this with one hand. Can I do it with one hand? I can't do it. Damn, I'm weak. Okay, I'm weak. I can't do it with one hand. Hold on, pimpin'. I'm an idiot. I was trying to push it back, but you gotta pull down and then pull. Never mind. I'm an idiot. So we'll do the same thing to this side right here. Just remove the cap. And then, see, this is what I messed up before. All you have to do for this is just push down on it and then pull back, and then you're exposed to the headlight. Just take this out and take this one out. So here we have the factory headlights. Now what we're going to replace these bad boys with is these bad boys. Want to give a huge thank you to Tredwear for supplying these headlights for the Ruck build. These are supposed to actually go on my car, but they sent me the wrong bulb size. So come to find out, the bulb size they sent me actually fits the Ruckus. So as they say, when life gives you buffalo sauce, you make mango habanero, son. Who the hell said that? So here we have the Tredwear headlights. These are size H4, and they fit perfectly for your Honda Ruckus. Now, I have no idea if all Ruckuses bulbs are the same. Like, I don't know if they changed like headlight styles over the years. This is a 2011, so I don't know if it works for the, you know, the first generations or even the 2017s or 18s or whatever that's out right now. All I know is that this worked for my model, and this is a 2011. Now, from all the videos I've seen, when people do like headlight LED bulb installs, they somehow end up like inverting this by like flipping it inside out and then cutting the inner board and all types of crazy things. All I did was put the bulb in here and it fit perfectly fine. All right, so now it's time to put the headlight in. Make sure you have it, you know, this part right. Well, you guys can't even see it, but make sure those are perfectly lined up. Obviously, slide that way, put this way, and then just boom. Now that's in. Now you can use this boot. You're just gonna have to like do some cutting and trimming and stuff like that. But for these headlights, you don't have to run the boot if you don't want to. But if you want like the extra precaution of like water and crap like that, you can use it, but you don't have to, bro. So I'm not gonna use the boot anyway. We're gonna do the second one, and then we'll be done and turn it on and see how poppin' it is. So we got the LEDs officially installed. Let's see if they work. They should work though. They should work. Yeah. talking about, son. LEDs on the ruck, boy. LEDs on the ruck. That's what I'm talking about. My first mod went successful, son. Yee! So dope. I got LEDs. It's so sick. I'm gonna get some Ricer flybys. I'm gonna film some flybys on it so I can look cool or feel cool with my new LEDs. So when it gets a little bit darker outside, I'm gonna go out for a ride and probably have the GoPro on, yeah, do some POV action and see how bright the headlights actually are. Cause bro, the factory headlights aren't that bright, even with the high beams on, but they're, you know what I'm saying, they're just a scooter. So, you know what I'm saying, they're not supposed to be, I mean, I don't know. But we're gonna see if the LEDs are like, you know what I'm saying, it's bright and like how a car LED would be. So we'll wait. I shouldn't be riding even though I'm sick, but hey bro, bike life! Alright, so it's now 8 o'clock. It's a little darker outside, but I need to film and upload this video before the day ends so I can have another daily upload for y'all. So we're gonna go driving on the ruck and maybe the light should show. I think it should, but hopefully it does. If not, then take my word for it. LEDs are clean. Man, it's raining, god dang it. But hey, I'm not going anywhere because it's raining, but look how bright it is. It's bright, it works. High beams, low beams, it worked. I'm going inside now. God dang it, it's raining. Now, I know you guys can't see anything, but since I'm in the garage, I think I should just show you guys while I'm in the garage. I hate how loud the exhaust is though, it's so loud, but wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, sit next to your computer, get you some shea butter soothing lotion, and then from there all you're gonna do is just pump. Gonna smack that like button for you, but that'd be greatly appreciated. First mod done to the Ruckus is complete. Engine blocks have been sent off to be built. I will update you guys on the engines as much as I get updated on them so you guys can be in the loop at all times. I got an email back from the Ruck shop saying that they're gonna get in contact with me very shortly, so hopefully I have some parts coming in and all types of dope stuff with them coming very soon to get the Ruckus all doped up and tricked out and all types of dope stuff. And if you like some LEDs for your headlights, I'll be sure to leave the link down below to Tredwear to get your own set of headlights. And that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace!